Hey, good morning everybody, here Ivan. I'm gonna do this quick video on CPA marketing. A lot of people been telling me that they're struggling to get leads, conversions. So I'm gonna make this video quick. It's very easy to get $100 per day. A lot of people are doing this, so beware where you promote it. So Adwords Media is I think it's a CPA content locking network. CPA content networks are very easy to join. There's CPA marketing like Max Bounty, Purefly. I don't know if it's still working. I don't even inbound that anymore. I heard that they have some offers, dating offers or something like that, but now the offers that they used to have before. So Never Blue, I don't even know about Never Blue, but it was an awesome network. Usually I'm more focused like CPA content locking, since they don't have a lot of restrictions to promote it. You can promote it everywhere if you want. On Max Bounty, they give you a lot of restrictions. You cannot promote on Craigslist and this and that, and like, okay. But yeah, this is a Adwords, I think it's a CPA content locking network. So it's very easy to join, and they pay. So you don't have to. A lot of people be asking, hey, they're worried they're not gonna get approved. Sorry for my low voice, cause it's right here. It's already 5 a.m. in California. So I just woke up. Usually I've been waking up early since I've been working on a new project lately, and I've been working 24/7. But I'm almost done with that project. So let's move forward with this. Let me show you how it works and everything. Right here, just go to campaigns, all campaigns. When you're on this network, there's a lot, but I'm just gonna show you on this one. So you'll get the picture and everything. So it's loading all the campaigns. It's very easy to join. They don't even give you an interview like Max Bounty and all that. So okay, what the hell? Why is it taking so long? When I'm always recording, it takes forever. But yeah, I just go right here, all campaigns, and then filter right here. I used to do this before, but a lot of people have been telling me, hey, I'm starting to get this and that, so I'm gonna show you a way so you can make at least 80 to 100 bucks a day. Okay, cash in set campaigns right here. Click right here, and then go to filter. You can do this on CPA Grip, other CPA content locking networks. So let's go with this one. And they pay you $2.40. So for email submit. So that's cool. For McDonald's, what's it called? Sweepstakes, like that. Yeah, like a gift card or something. So right here's the link, so you can start promoting it. Let's go right here. This is from the States, so you gotta promote in the States, or else if they see that it's coming from another country, they won't pay you, or maybe they might just cancel your account. So beware of that. Right here, pickle workers are people that are looking for work, freelancers and everything. So they will do a job for you. They will sign up. Like you can see right here, there's a lot of offers of small jobs. Future small jobs means that people are willing to pay this, so they can take this kind of offers. Pickle workers, the new one. I use micro workers a lot. This is I use it a lot for traffic on YouTube, so they can share my posts and everything. That's called social signals. Social signals is another topic. I might do another video about that. That's why I've been getting a lot of traffic on all social media platforms. I'm sharing my videos everywhere, not just on Facebook, everywhere, on Twitter, Reddit, or whatever. LinkedIn, all social media platforms. So that's called social signals. It's something different. I might do a video of that later on so you can get the picture. So all these are the same: micro workers, rapid workers. They're only freelancers. They're freelancers willing to do like this, like a small sign up, so you can get a. They don't know about this. They don't know about CPA marketing, so that's why they doing this. But let me show you. So let's go right here. This is a new account. I usually use this one. This is the one that I use the most. Pickle workers new. So I'm gonna test it on this one. So let's go with small jobs, and let's do a test. Start a new small job. Click. This is all the tax. You could be a worker too if you wanna get paid 40 cents to do all this from people. Gigs, there's gigs. So you wanna check it out, cool. But what we're gonna do right here is right here. We're gonna right here put USA and Western, sorry. Put right here in the States, because this offer only works in the States. So so right here, sign up, email submit. I don't know what the hell this micro workers. I don't have this. It's almost all the same platform when you log in. Micro workers. Speed, the fastest. Positions, put on 50 at least. Minimum is 25 if you want. Pay on 20 cents per sign up. So right here, I already have it right here. Ready? So we just put it right here. McDonald's sign up. It's gonna be a sign up. And this is what I used to put before, and I was getting like $100. So that's cool. And I was investing like, let me show you right now how much I was investing, like $10, I think. So just put this, go to this link, enter our requirements information, sign up. That's it. And go over here. Send me a screenshot of when you sign up. Proof. That's proof that they did the task, the job. So that's it. How much are you? It's gonna be. That's what you're paying. 11 and 10 cents. So you're paying for each worker 20 cents. So let's go with right here. They give you $2.40. It's 240, right? Yeah, 240 right here. 240 minus you paying the workers 20 cents. Sorry, it's 0.20. So that's 220 cents that you're getting for each lead. Times, how many did I put? I don't even recall. 50 workers. Times 50 workers. You'll get $100. 110 out of 11 bucks. 11 10 cents. So that's 100. And they will sign up fast. Trust me, they will sign up if you give them a 20 or 25 cents. So that's $100 a day. That's awesome. If you, a lot of people been telling, hey, Ivan, how come I haven't made a conversion and nothing? But this is people that are being seeing my videos and they have enjoyed my training site, my training membership site. So that's why they've been asking me. Hey, I like to help people, but sometimes I'm too busy. Working like right now, I'm working on a new project. But yeah, I got a lot of people being message me the same. So I just decided to make this video so I can send them. Hey, that's cool. Try this, and that's it. So you'll get $100 per day if you take action. So yeah, I'm trying to right now. I might in a couple weeks, I don't know, do my own CPA network, private network. Sorry, CPA private network, so people can join. But usually, I gonna try to find someone that's gonna be there. It's cause when you do this kind of stuff, you gotta be there 24/7, so people won't cheat on you and this and that. CPA, trying to cheat the system and all that, but I will find someone. I know my students would do it, or I know a lot of CPA markers that would do it too. But yeah, just gonna give you this tip so you can start getting money. But usually what you have to do first is have funds, because if you submit a job, it's gonna do yes, you gotta right here. This one is way different. You can do it right away on this one, micro workers. But on this one, I'm still trying to figure out deposit. Where's the deposit? It's very fast. Where is it? Let me check. You could add funds in order to run the campaigns. Where is it? Jobs, referral. Yeah, it's way different. This is brand new. Oh, it's right here. Deposit, yeah. Yeah, this is brand new, so I don't even know. Somebody told me about this one, so I'm gonna test it out. Small. Did I click? That's what happens when you're doing this. You don't know what's up on this sites. But yes, must be right here. Account. Yeah, it must be right here. You know, I'm a little bit sleepy too. So let's go. What the hell? My jobs. I think this is way more professional. I suggest join this with micro workers. This is way more professional than this one. This is like a copy from micro workers. Let me show you how it looks. The inside. How come I cannot find how to deposit? What the hell is it? It's way different. You can deposit right here right away. $10. This and that. I can't find that deposit. Yeah, it's brand new. I don't know. It's still working on everything. But yeah, thanks for watching this quick video, and take action, people. See ya. Bye.